Maintaining a flourishing garden while minimizing the intrusion of weeds can be a challenging endeavor. Fortunately, organic weed control methods offer effective alternatives to synthetic herbicides, allowing you to keep your garden healthy and vibrant while embracing environmentally friendly practices. In this comprehensive guide, we explore a range of organic weed control techniques, empowering you to tackle unwanted plants with natural solutions. The importance of organic weed control. Organic weed control is rooted in sustainability and ecological balance. By avoiding harmful chemicals, you protect beneficial organisms, soil health, and the overall environment. These methods promote harmony between your garden and its surrounding ecosystem. 1. Mulching. Mulching is a versatile and time-tested method that involves covering the soil surface with organic materials like straw, leaves, or wood chips. Mulch suppresses weed growth by blocking sunlight and hindering weed seed germination. It also conserves soil moisture, regulates temperature, and improves soil structure. 2. Hand pulling and hoeing. Manual removal of weeds by hand pulling or hoeing is effective for small-scale infestations. Ensure you remove the entire weed, including the roots, to prevent regrowth. This method requires regular maintenance but allows you to intimately connect with your garden. 3. Solarization. Solarization involves using sunlight to eliminate weeds. Cover the infested area with clear plastic sheeting, trapping heat and moisture. Over several weeks, the high temperature kills weed seeds and young plants beneath the plastic. 4. Vinegar and salt solutions. A mixture of vinegar, acetic acid, and salt can be sprayed directly onto weeds, causing them to dry out and die. Be cautious, as this method can also affect surrounding plants, so use it selectively. 5. Boiling water. Pouring boiling water over weeds is a simple and effective way to kill them. However, it's best suited for areas where you want to eliminate all vegetation, such as cracks in driveways or walkways. 6. Smothering. Covering weeds with cardboard, newspaper, or landscape fabric effectively deprives them of sunlight and prevents their growth. This method is particularly useful for preparing new planting areas. 7. Corn gluten meal. Corn gluten meal is a natural byproduct of corn processing that acts as a pre-emergent herbicide, inhibiting weed seed germination. It's safe for most plants and adds nitrogen to the soil. 8. Essential oil sprays. Certain essential oils, like clove or cinnamon oil, have weed-suppressing properties. Mix these oils with water and spray them on weeds, focusing on avoiding contact with desirable plants. 9. Companion planting. Strategically planting companion plants can help deter weeds. Dense and low-growing companions can shade the soil, preventing weed growth and providing a protective cover. Organic weed control methods provide a holistic approach to managing unwanted vegetation, promoting a healthier garden and a more sustainable environment. By embracing these techniques, you contribute to the well-being of your garden, the health of your soil, and the overall balance of your outdoor space. As you implement these practices, you'll not only conquer weeds but also cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world around you.